This is the Brew News.
Hello and welcome to the Brew News. And we are here at the Arab Health, and we are with Mr. Rashed. He is the general manager of the Bridge. So as we are seeing, the medical industry overall is growing in the Middle East and Dubai specifically. So what is the role of Bridge in that?
Sure. First of all, Bridge Medical GPO is relatively a new concept in the region with a group purchase organization. So what we basically do is consolidate or aggregate volumes and negotiate better deals with the local suppliers. This is in a very high level what we do. And we see that there is a great development in the UAE, in Dubai, and really we felt it in all of the other Emirates too. There is a lot of advancement and growth in the healthcare industry. But as organizations grow, it is vital for them to control and have a more efficient operations and more to generate more income and profit. And there is a saying, no profit, no mission.
Right.
You cannot achieve your mission if you cannot exceed or generate good profits. Even non-profit organizations, they need profits to achieve their vision. Yeah. So this is what we basically do. We want to try to help for-profit organizations to achieve this 1 dirham of saving. And this 1 dirham of savings can be placed anywhere within the organization for a new program, for a employee benefit, so on and so forth, where they could enhance the care of the delivery of care. Same goes with governmental institutions. We want, for example, to save 1 dirham from the Ministry of Health, for example, budget, because we know that this 1 dirham can be placed in any other sector, be it education, defense. There are other sectors that will benefit from this 1 dirham of savings.
So in Dubai we have seen even in UAE, it's not only like a big entities. There are so many small clinics in the interior areas.
Yes.
So how you are able to help them?
Of course.
Because big entities already have so many consultants with them, so many facilitators, but the small players.
Correct. I mean, we become the right arm negotiator and purchaser for those institutions, small or big. But we try to give both the small and big players a fair ground, better pricing, very transparent purchasing and supply chain process, and puts everything on top of the table. You know where you stand, what's your pricing. The supplier have information, where do they stand within the organization, how much their market share, and so on and so forth. So we're a very transparent operation where we give that, most importantly, visibility and information.
Right.
Because you cannot manage what you cannot see.
Exactly.
So we put this up on the table for the stakeholders to see and be able to make better future decisions.
Great. So as an outsider, like you are not a medical practitioner, but you are related with the field.
Yes.
So there's two figure came recently. One DHA said in 2022 there was more than 61% hike in the registration of the doctors and other healthcare staff. And other figure came like in 2021, more than 600,000 people came as a medical tourist. Earlier there was a reverse trend. People are going outside for the healthcare. So how you are seeing this growth of the industry?
I mean, again, growth of the industry is growth for the country that hosts that industry, basically. And what's astonishing and very cheerful is seeing the different sectors in the UAE developing.
Right.
So it's not only healthcare. I'm sure if you look at statistics for education or any industry, banking, you'll see that there is continuous growth, and this is what each industry should provide the host where it operates from. And it only shows, and I'm not surprised that there is this amount of medical tourism coming into the UAE and Dubai, or the higher number of registering new doctors and nurses. Again, the UAE and Dubai is everlasting, evolving, continuously evolving and morphing into a better place all around. Business, personal, career-wise, so on and so forth. So the human side, which is very important. And basically that's why I say I'm personally not astonished, but I believe that is true, and that is a natural
Growth
outcome from a long continuous vision
Right.
that was thought of many years back, and they had strategy, they put it, and they focus on achieving, and alhamdulillah they're achieving great.
So this bridge operation, it is right now limited to UAE, or you are operating from other countries also?
No, Bridge Medical GPO, as a concept, we are the only private GPO in the region, and we focus on medical industry. So, as a start, we thought to introduce this concept, we have to be in an environment where it fosters innovation and investment opportunities from abroad, so on. So we started in the UAE as a takeoff pad. Because this is the right environment
Right.
for any startup and for any new innovative idea. And we're here to start, but our real target is to have a proof of concept, an operational proof of concept in the UAE, and then moving towards large markets like Saudi Arabia, Egypt, and Turkey.
Thank you.
Thank
Thanks
you
for
very
talking to
much.
us, and hope better future and better growth for your company.
For everyone, thank you.
Like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get notification from the Brew News.